Let's learn how to make 3 different mug handles. All right, handle A. You're gonna start by making a coil like normal, a little thicker than your pinky. And the first one is, think of it like a carrot. So you're just gonna roll the end so it's tapered. And then round out the top. Make it look nice. And then what I'm doing right here is I'm using the table as a hard surface so I can drop the coil to create a flat side. So it's basically a thin carrot with a flat side. Okay, why the flat side? It's more comfortable to hold in your hand. And then I'm using water so when I start to bend the coil, I don't have to worry about it cracking. So I'm just reintroducing that moisture. Creating something that kind of looks like a question mark. Thinking about where it's gonna sit on the side of my mug. And then I'm prepare the handle for going on the side of the mug by scoring. And then I'll score and slip it onto the side of the mug. Easy peasy. Okay, next handle. This is handle B. Coil, let it fall on the table so it gets flat on one side. This one's the same thickness from start to finish. Reintroducing moisture so it doesn't crack. And then I'm creating this one to look like the front side of the capital letter D. And then I'm going to prep the ends by scoring. And then the idea is this is going to attach to the side of your mug with this shape, kind of like the front of the letter D. All right, handle C. Okay, think of this one as the side of a heart shape. So this time, I'm purposely making both sides a little flatter, but I do start with a round coil because I don't want there to be sharp edges. And then making sure there's enough moisture in the piece so it doesn't crack when it bends. And creating that half of a heart shape. Prepping the ends so when they are attached to the side of the mug, they sit even. And then I'd use my scoring and slipping to attach those. You guys can totally do this. Thanks for watching.